Hey guys, we're going to be doing Nerf trick shots. Alright, let's get right to it. First object, fidget spinner. Oh, you hit my arm instead. Nice shot, that counts. Well, this did not get hit, but he shot something, so he's still, it counts. Okay. Now we're gonna use dog. Try to shoot him in the head or something if he missed. Shoot like just a little quicker. Oh, you shot him. Got him. Got him. You just, I heard that. Next object. Yo. You want to make a Ouija board? Nah. We'll do that next video. Like and subscribe. If we can get 2 likes on this video, we'll do an Ouija board video. If anyone's gonna watch it.
Oh man, nice catch.
Don't think we can cut that. Oh yeah, we can cut that part out.
Here you go, here talking to me.
Yeah. You can cut that part off. That's how you edit videos. Okay, that's how you edit videos. You cut it out.
I'm gonna get some cool shots. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do it.
Oh! That didn't count. Cut that part out. They can't even see the hat. So I'll just be right here. So we'll redo all the objects since you couldn't see them. Yes. Oh, stop! We're cutting that part out too. Okay. Here's the bullet. Now do it on my count.
Hey, Dick with you, Muddy here. Today I'm down at the river checking out the water to see how clear it is. Still a little murky from last time it rained. A little bit of a bummer, but I will be back out here with the treasure very soon. So a couple months ago, a guy named Scott Martin gave me a ring, and he asked if I could go to his house and do some fishing. If you guys don't know who Scott Martin is, he's actually ranked #1 in the entire world for bass fish. So get a call from him to go fish with him. He's like, I got a call from Michael Jordan to go play bass fish.
Oh my god! I feel like it hit my chest. I feel it. Okay, now we're gonna after the water bottle, we're gonna restart on the fidget spinner because, well, y'all couldn't see it. Yeah, we'll just cut those parts out.
I guarantee I can convince him to go down to my town. I can show him around. Maybe we can do some striped bass fishing or treasure hunting. Can you imagine Scott treasure hunting down here? Like, he'd be so freaked out. Now, Scott Martin has a YouTube channel as well. He's creeping on up to 100,000 subscribers. So if you guys enjoy bass fishing videos, make sure you guys head over and subscribe to his channel.
Wait, let me try to shoot.
I think he'd freak out, man. I want to give a big thank you to Old Town as well for hooking Scott up with some awesome friends.
Yeah, you shot the phone. You almost paused it.
I see something that I'm thinking will be the
now we're going to restart on the fidget spinner. Oh, and by the way, we'll give this thing away if you want it.
This was $2,500, dude. This is straight up $2,500. That's a big deal.
We were dragging the chain the whole time.
Mikey, are you willing to give this away for the YouTube channel? If we can get 25,000 likes, I will give away my fishing phone. Yep, if we can just get that much. Please give me this. Okay. cheated. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. And I guess you got the 3? No, 2. Sorry. Alright. We'll see you later. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. We get 5.